Here is my tree. It's not pretty. It has no baubles or tinsel. But it's fine 'cause it's mine and I love it. Yes, I love it. I'm going to stick my balls on it when I'm ready. Oh, darling, why am I singing? It's because I have toast. This isn't toast, it is toast over here. It's coming in my mouth like a dirty little slut. Me, 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 meow. Yummy, yum, yummy, yum. Like I'm sticking it up my bum, but I know it's not love. It's not love, but I know it's going to make me feel so good. Here's some toast, I'm going to take it and put some margarine on it. I'm putting margarine on the toast, toast, toast. Then I get some butter and I put it on the toast. Then I eat it and I eat it and Mom.